get perfect entries with this breakout trading strategy. But right, guys, so now let's actually jump into TradingView. If you didn't know, TradingView is the platform I use for all my technical analysis. I actually also use TradingView for my fundamental analysis, news, and basically all things trading. And if you want to follow along for the rest of this course, later on I will show you guys some indicator and much more good stuff. Make sure that you have TradingView, and if you want to, you can definitely. TradingView has a good free version you can use, and it does include most things I will cover in this video. But if you want to get access to everything, don't worry, because I do have a special link. I will make sure to leave that link in the description and the pinned comment, and you can use that link to try out TradingView Premium for free for 30 days. And if you, after that trial period, decide that you really loved TradingView, you can, continue that and get a $15 bonus. So make sure to use that link if you haven't used it already. But now let's take a look at one of my all-time favorite breakout examples. But first of all, right now we're looking at Bitcoin. You can see it up here, and we are on a daily time frame. So every candlestick on this chart represents 1 day. But the breakout example I want to show is actually one that happened a long time ago, because I really this example is so clear. And that example actually comes from breaking the old all-time high from all the way back in 2017. And remember the rule we talked about just recently. One of the key rules we're looking out for when we're looking out for breakouts is that if we have an obvious level, or in other words, we have a level that pretty much everyone is paying attention to, it's more likely that we will see a strong reaction at that level. And I think it's no better example than showing, when Bitcoin broke the all-time high. So you can see here, back in 2017, Bitcoin got rejected here near 20,000. It was at around 19,700. We got a clear reaction 2 times, and it took a very long time before the price revisited this level. But you can see that eventually, in 2020, the price tried to break this level again. And you can see that first of all, we failed. The price came up to this level, but we didn't see any signs we talked about earlier of a breakout. You can see that the price actually briefly pushed above. I hope you can see the wicks. We wicked above quickly, but this is no evidence of a breakout. And also remember that we're looking out for volume, but during this try of breaking out, we didn't have lots of volume. By the way, if you don't know where to find volume, what you basically do is that you go up here to the indicators tab in TradingView and you search for volume. There are tons of different volume indicators. Some are built by TradingView and some are built by the TradingView community. That is one thing I really like about TradingView, that it has a very large community. People are building indicators, so you can use other people's indicators and strategies. But for this video, I'm gonna keep it simple and open up the normal volume indicator right here. But you can see that during this time, we had all of the signs that the breakout maybe wasn't going to happen, and it also got proven. We didn't see a breakout, and the price actually dropped down a bit here. But on the next attempt, on this day right here, on December 16, 2020, we actually saw all the signs of a strong breakout. First of all, right here, what type of candle is this? Well, this right here is a clear momentum candle, right? Because it's clearly more than twice the size of all of the previous candles right here. This is a super clear momentum candle. The next sign we're looking out for here is the volume. I think this was this volume right here, but you can see that we clearly have more than twice the volume of all the previous days. Another sign here, remember, another sign we're looking out for is that we want the candle close to be far above the resistance, and in this case the candle close was clearly far above the resistance. And the last sign that I talked about earlier was, of course, that this is a level clearly visible to everyone. Everyone was paying attention to this level, so when it actually broke out, we saw lots of strong bullish price action. And the reason I love this example is that after this breakout, we saw the beginning of one of the most legendary bull markets of all time. So this right here, it's important to mention that every time you trade breakouts, you will of course not find these kind of perfect examples, but I do think this is a perfect example that really demonstrate all of the principles I talked about earlier. But right, so now when we know about the signs to look out for when it comes to breakouts. Alright, so this video was just a very short clip from our full price action trading course right here on YouTube. To watch the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you all over there very, very soon.